Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox, then remove the stand and place the unit on a soft, anti-static mat. Once done, use T8 and T10 Torx drivers to remove the visible screws. Make sure to keep screws grouped and photographed so you remember 1/2 and 1/4 positions. Next, gently pry the side panels with a plastic tool, feel for clips, and release them slowly to avoid snapping tabs. You're creating safe access to the bumper assembly beneath the outer shell. You now expose the bumper assembly by lifting the outer shell evenly and setting it aside. Once visible, identify any ribbon cables or small spring clips holding the bumper. Use tweezers to disconnect carefully and note orientation so reassembly matches. If adhesive is present, warm briefly with your hand or a hairdryer on low to soften it before pulling. After the bumper comes free, inspect mounting pins and sensor surfaces for wear. This is why you removed it. To replace worn contact points that cause poor button, you fit the new bumper by aligning its mounting pins with the holes and pressing evenly until each clip snaps. Make sure it sits flush so the button travel is correct. Once in place, reconnect any ribbons or springs in their original orientation, then reattach the outer shell and replace screws finger tight. Avoid over-tightening. After reassembly, power the console on and test all bumper functions thoroughly. If a button feels sticky or misaligned, reopen and check seating or debris. Most issues come from an off-center bumper or trapped plastic shaving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.